Hello everybody, welcome to the show. It's AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a new video about MicroVentures. This is going to be about the COVID-19 Small Business Relief Fund 501c3 organization. So let's jump right into it. So guys, great thing about MicroVentures, they're going to be matching the first $25,000 of their goal of $50,000. So far, $5,700 has been raised by 32 amazing donors. And this is about the about the COVID-19 crisis. It hit us pretty hard, and it basically was like a black swan event. So with their goal with $50,000 that they want to raise is help out the community of businesses across the United States that are suffering and need money now to operate and support their employees. So at least we know where the money is going. Some great points about what MicroVentures is doing is that there's going to be no fees, and this is a taxable event, so you get on your taxes as a deductible. And also the first $25,000, I already mentioned that they're going to be matching it. But the great thing is that you get to nominate the business that you want to get the money. They want to get the money to. So click on this red link right here that I put submissions page for details, how to post your material. And when it comes to the COVID-19, this is a charitable event. They're trying to help out other businesses because we all know that a lot of people are struggling out there, and without the company, there's no employees, and vice versa. So with that relationship, we need both to go to get better. But guys, if you're looking for more MicroVentures videos, please check out my playlist. I had a bunch of videos here. You can see the things that I look for and what I like to ask, like when it comes to questions and comments to the owners, and to see how we can better their investment. But guys, outside that in playlist, check out my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Go browse around and get some really good information. If you want to learn how to trade, DM me on Facebook, or just go through my book a meeting. And that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end. Can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya.